The new
Port
Pullover has a simple vibe with plenty of personality. It's constructed from a 15-ounce, 100% certified recycled polyester high-pile sherpa fleece, bonded with a polar fleece on the backside. This fleece is ridiculously soft. It is frustratingly soft. It's like... I don't even know how to describe the softness that exudes from this material because it is amazing. And the
Port
Pullover is accented with 3-ounce, 100% certified recycled polyester, solid matte woven accent materials. That is way too much of a mouthful. Blah, 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 blah. So this pullover has a casual fit. It's got a crew neck. It's got a 2-in-1 jersey-lined cargo hand pocket on the front. Here, you've got like this pass-through pocket action that's happening. And then you've got this flap on the top that's got some hook and loop, some Velcro closure. So you can stick your goodies that you picked up at the
port
in there, where you're storing them. And then you just put the flap down, close it up. Everything's nice, tight, secure. There's some overlock stitching kind of on the front and back yoke. We can kind of see that here. It's given it a beautiful finished look on this high pile sherpa fleece. Look at those finish details. And then on your front forearm, you've got some more of this accent fabric. We like to call that bar top armor. It's going to keep your forearm fleece from wearing out and, encourage you to just rest your arms, take a chill, have a moment, kick back, enjoy a cold one with your friends. That's what it's about. That's what Cavu days are about. Finishing this fantastic pullover off with some elastic binding at the sleeve cuffs and the bottom opening. That, my friends, is the
port
pullover. Get busy living.